That was a very fast way to reach the speed limit. Safety first. Okay, today is a very exciting day for me. I'm getting to test out this X2 M35i. The owner's been very nice enough to let me actually test out the car in these roads and review the car for you guys. This car is actually very rare here in Malaysia. The car is powered by a B48 engine, which makes 306 horsepower and 450 Newton meters of torque.
Damn, this guy knows his numbers.
Which is phenomenal. Out of a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. I'll let you guys have a look. So this is a B48, but this does not look like the B48 inside of the B48s that I've seen before. It's a bit different. The engine cover and the arrangement is a bit different. We have a strut bar over here. On the dyno, it shows that this car actually makes 290 horsepower to the wheels, 430 Newton meters to the wheels. So if you didn't know, there's a 30% gap normally between the power you make at the crank and power you make on the wheel. So it's a bit understated as usual from BMW. Car is an X-Drive, so it sends power to all 4 wheels. It's sitting on amazing looking forged 20-inch rims from BMW. Owner of this car has put 20mm spacers at the back and 15mm spacers in the front, and has lowered the car with H&R sports springs to give it the more sporty and fat look, which I think complements the car really well. It's running on M Performance brakes from the factory. As you can tell, it has the blue calipers. I like how BMW nowadays puts the BMW logo over here. We can count how many BMW logos there is on outside of this car. There is one over there, one over here, one over here, one over here, and I think one in front, 4 more. So there is a total of 8 BMW logos on the outside. 1 M badge here, 1 M badge, 2 M badge. There isn't a lack of M badges either from BMW. So they want you to know that you're not driving a normal X2. This is a special video because we just hit 1,000 subscribers, and I really thank you guys for that. We still have my device from YouTube. It tells me about you guys and how many of you are actually subscribed. In the last 28 days, as you can tell, only 7.5% of my viewers have subscribed to the channel. Means that 92% of you guys who watch the channel are not subscribed. We gotta bring this number up to more like 60 or 70 or even 100%. So subscribe down below and hit the bell. Share this with your friends. Let's get this channel to 10,000 subscribers, and we'll do a giveaway at 10,000 subscribers. Okay, Sherry? What do you think?
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Sounds good? I couldn't do this without you guys' support, you guys' comments, you guys who like the videos and DM me on Instagram and everything. People like the owner of this car, who's amazing, taken out from his holiday to come with us and help us shoot this video. This channel wouldn't be here without all of you guys. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. And let's get back to the video. Okay, so enough about the specs. Let's actually sit inside and drive the car. Impression number 0. This is not even the first impression. This car does not feel like an SUV. I mean, I get that there's an X in the name, but oh my god, like, to how tight this car feels, this does not feel like a SUV. I've driven the X5, I've driven the X3, I've driven few SUVs from BMW, and this is not one of those. This is a 2019 car, so it's actually pretty damn new in terms of when it was made. It's still an F chassis, but a lot has changed in this car compared to my F30 chassis and my previous F10. So this car is, I think, one of the last F chassis cars that was ever made, if I'm not mistaken. You have a M35i badge over here to let you know that you're not driving a normal X2. Amazingly like huge like glass sunroof over here, which is like wow. And the car is very comfortable in terms of driving. I would have no problem dailying this. Actually, I think this car, what they were going for is like a daily that you can take everywhere, and at the same time it's pretty damn fast. 100% like liking this. I also like these clusters because this looks a bit digital, but not like a fully digital like the new ones. Completely honest, I hate the new ones that go the other way. I'm really happy with this. This is good. I drove the car for a little. Let's try putting it in sports mode. The car just came alive and the exhaust has opened because, okay. Oh my God. This car has an air intake on it. I believe it's a BMC air intake.
Oh my God! What is this?
So that was a very fast way to reach the speed limit.
I was not expecting that kind of sound.
Wow.
Oh my God.
That sounds really good. Oh my God, wow. That sounds really good for a 2-liter turbocharged. Props to BMW for making the B48. That's amazing, but it's a 35i, but it comes with a B48. First time I met the owner of this car, I was like, oh, it has the B58. And he was like, no, it's a B48. I don't know what the tuning capabilities are over here with this car because it's already making huge numbers for a 2-liter. Bro, I want one.
You want to sell your Axia?
Let's put the gear in sports as well. Oh wow, they immediately got a downshift. Oh my God, that sound. Man, BMW has been killing it lately with their cars. And like stock from the factory, BMW has been absolutely killing it with these machines that they're making. I'm really happy. Those shifts, those upshifts, like legit scare me. Nice. Out of this world. This is not what I was expecting to do today. It's crazy. Wow. The shifts scare me.
Aggressive.
Yeah. Yeah. How? Not yet. I was gonna ask you, how do you...
Traction control off.
I'll see you soon, man. Bro, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Foot on the brake really hard. Gas really hard.
Oh my God. I feel like part of me is stuck to my chair.
Yeah.
It's just, it's damn impressive. I was not expecting that at all. Mini.
Okay, let's talk about the interior of the car. As you can tell, we have an M Sport steering wheel. This is the steering wheel for the F chassis. So we have that here, which feels really nice in hand. I had this steering wheel in my F10 and I really miss it. So we gotta make an upgrade soon for my own car now that I drove this car again. We have leather seats which are semi-bucket. As you can see, these look really good. These seats are phenomenal. They hug you in place really well, and they also look amazing. Semi-digital cluster, which I think is one of the best looking clusters. This is right before BMW ruined it with their new G chassis. We have an infotainment system, which is, I believe this is the iDrive 6. We have this amazing sunroof, which is bigger than a lot of sunroofs on BMWs that I've seen. The car doesn't feel too heavy. It actually is very nimble. Very spacious boot back here. In terms of the features, this car is fairly standard. Harman Kardon speakers, like the iDrive, all of that. Just that this car comes with proper like semi-bucket seats and beautiful seat belts. And so if you're familiar with the BMWs from this generation, this car should feel like home for you. So I'm not gonna waste a lot of your time with that.